Yes.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention one matter for listing tomorrow, my lord.
What? A DB matter or
DB matter, my lord.
DB?
Yes, my lord.
What's the urgency?
Urgency is that, my lord, this is regarding selection, my lord. Our selection process has been cancelled, my lord. Thereafter, now they are supposed to issue a press advertisement, my lord.
Hmm.
That's why, my lord, I'm mentioning, my lord.
Okay, let's see tomorrow.
Obliged, my lord. Deep down.
Yes, my lord. I beg to mention item number 1 and 2, my lord.
Hmm.
Senior
Yes.
Counsel PJ Saikia could not able to appear today, my lord, and the matter may be fixed on 22 of this month, my lord.
Okay. So you are for the appellant,
Yes, ma'am.
not there's no objection. Is it?
No, ma'am.
Mention is made on behalf of Mr. PJ Saikia, learned counsel for the appellant, for adjournment of the matter, which is not objected by the other side. In
Well-
view of the above, list the matter as sought for on
22nd of this month.
22nd. Okay, 22nd is what? Thursday. On 22nd, 1/2026.
Okay, much.
My lord, I beg to mention a matter listed in item number 17, my lord. My lord, may kindly allow me to withdraw this matter with liberty to file a press, my lord.
This is a DB. There's no item number 17. It's still item.
Extremely sorry, my lord.
Item number 3.
Lordship, I am for the respondent in item number 3. We will file our objection, Lordship, by next date.
Yes, learned AG, okay, give me time. Mr. Chaudhary, learned Advocate General for the state is present, along with Mr.
AC Rang, Lordship.
AC so-and-so, learned counsel for the opposite party, who has prayed for a date to file his written objection. In view of the above,
After 3
as
weeks, Lordship.
sought for, list on.
3 weeks, Lordship, after 3 weeks.
Can it be on 24th one?
On
I'll be here on 24th.
24, 1,
The 24th, 2.
2, 24, 2, yes, 2026, yes.
Right. Wait.
Yes,
Madam, I'm praying for listing of an introductory application tomorrow. In fact, this was listed on 7th of January. And this honorable court actually directed it to be listed on 9th of January, but it appears inadvertently it was recorded as 9/2. It's for implement minor. Similar matter has already been allowed.
okay.
May I please, my lord? My lord, I beg to mention item number 20 and 21. On behalf of Mr. T. Pertin, I've taken consent from the other side. Can this matter be listed on 9th of February? Highly obliged.
This side, okay, okay, mention is made on behalf of Mr. T. Pertin, learned counsel for the petitioner for adjournment of the matter, which is not objected by the counsel for the other side. Full stop. In view of the above, as sought for, list on.
9th of February.
Okay, 9, 2, 2026.
Highly obliged, my lord.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, Lordship. Service not complete for respondent number 2 and 3, Lordship.
My lord,
Yes.
my lord, in item 15, today I'm appearing for respondent number 2 and 3.
Okay, Miss, you are Miss
P. Rabha.
T. Rafa appears on
P.
behalf
Rafa, Lordship.
of her senior Mr.
Lordship, I'm appearing for the whole matter.
Okay,
Lordship.
P.
P. Rabha.
Okay, Rabba. Okay, Miss so-and-so appears on behalf learned counsel for the petitioner. Okay, is present along with Mr. T.
P. Maranga,
Margar.
respondent number 2 and
Yes.
3.
Learned counsel for respondent number 2 and 3.
And Lordship, I'm for respondent number 1, Lordship.
And Mr. So-and-so for respondent number 1. Anyone else?
Lordship, also item number 16, Lordship.
Wait. No. The learned counsel for the petition, the respondent number 2 and 3 appears, 2 and 3, isn't it?
Yes, my lord, 2 and 3 will be filing. My lord, we have
Has prayed for time to file
Very-
their written objection.
question of maintainability
What?
also.
Pardon?
We are also raising the
Has
question.
prayed for time to file their counter affidavit. Okay, yes. In view of the above, list the matter after. When will you be ready? 3 weeks
3 weeks. My lord, if
on-
it- on the 17th of February, my lord.
on 17 to 2026. Yes.
16
Anything else?
Lordship,
16.
16 also.
16 also
Similar
will-
order?
Lordship.
Similar
notice
order.
issued-
Yes.
My lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, my lordship.
Yes.
We need some more time to file an affidavit, so this matter will be listed after 3 weeks.
Lordship, today is the matter fixed for hearing over the hearing order, but there is already status order is there.
Okay, so we'll continue till the next date, isn't it? Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents. Then the learned government advocate has prayed for time to file their counter affidavit. In view of the above, as prayed for, list
After
After?
3 weeks.
3 weeks on, we all have to fix a date. So we all are properly prepared on
10 Feb.
10 to 2026, full stop. Meanwhile, interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Yeah, madam. Yeah, madam. But I beg to mention a matter listed in item number 17, my lord. My lord, may kindly allow me to withdraw this matter with liberty to file a press, my lord. My lord, actually, there is some serious defect in the some. Yes, my lord.
We'll allow Mr.
TC Tele, my lord.
TC so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for withdrawal of the instant writ petition with the permission to file afresh by submitting that there are some serious defects in the writ petition filed in its present form and style. Full stop. In view of the above, praise aloud. Writ petition number 447/2025 is allowed to be withdrawn with the permission to file afresh. Yes.
Oblige me.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12.
Yes.
We are yet to get instruction from the department, Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of respondent number 3 and 4.
Counsel for the petition is present, isn't
Yes,
it?
Your Lordship.
Mr.
Your Lordship, kindly take a note that this is a pension matter. And Your Lordship,
How many times has it been adjourned? This is a 2025.
this is the first time, Your Lordship. But there is a entry order against the department to process the pension matter.
There is one, or you're praying for a fresh interim order?
It is already there. in my
Already
favor,
there.
Your Lordship.
Okay.
But till now, they have not processed the pension matter, Your Lordship. Therefore, I'm praying for the urgent listing of this matter.
Okay. Make sure that by the next court date. So if it's a pension matter, why isn't his pension matter being processed? What is the difficulty?
Lordship, we are yet to get the instruction.
So find out,
Yes.
contact the distinct department, isn't it?
Yes.
You take some personal interest in pension matters. If they're entitled, just release it. Why do you keep it pending, isn't it? Yes. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Mr.
S. Irang on behalf of El Parme, Lordship.
S.C. Raman,
On behalf of El Parme.
appearing on behalf of Mr. So-and-so, standing counsel, is it?
Yes, standing on
Done
for
it.
power department.
Counsel for Power Department / respondent number
3 and 4, Lordship.
3 and 4. And Miss
For 1 and 2.
so-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents number 1 and 2. Full stop. The learned counsel for respondent number 3 and 4 has prayed for time to get instructions in the matter. Full stop. Then Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that since this is a pension matter, the concerned department may be directed to take necessary steps for release of the pension of the petitioner in terms of this court's order dated
12/12/2025.
12/12/2025. In view of the above submissions, the concerned department to take necessary steps and file their counter affidavit positively, if any, by the next court date. List on,
3 weeks, Lordship, after 3 weeks.
3 weeks is too long.
no, give me a date. List on. When will you be ready? In the meantime, you process.
Lordship, after 3 weeks, it may be listed.
Okay, give me a date after 3 weeks. Any date?
10, Lordship.
Okay, list on 10/2/2026.
Much obliged.
Lordship, item number 7. This matter will be fixed for tomorrow.
What's the matter about?
This is regarding service matter. For hearing,
List it in the next week.
yes, on Monday,
Okay.
matter will be fixed.
Okay, who's the counsel for the government advocate
sorry.
on Monday? On Monday?
Item, yes, Monday.
No, on Tuesday, Monday is only there. Tuesday.
Oh, Monday's a holiday,
Yes,
yes.
Tuesday.
Monday is a very important holiday. Yes.
Matter may be
Uh,
on Tuesday.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for adjournment of the matter, which is not objected by Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents. In view of the above, as sought for, list on Tuesday. Okay, next Tuesday. Yes.
Obliged.
Mayor, Your Honor, I'd like to mention item number 3 on behalf of Standing Council Titagum. I've taken consent from the other parties, Your Honor. This matter may be kindly fixed on 5th of February.
Okay, mention is made on behalf of Mr. T. Parton.
No, Your Honor, Titagum, Standing Council for Education Department.
Okay, so you're for the respondent.
No, yes, Your Honor.
But you're standing on the wrong side, no? Mention is made on behalf of Mr. T. Tagum, learned counsel for the respondent number
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3 for adjournment of the matter with the consent from the other side. In view of the above, as sought for, list on
5 of next month, 5th of next month, February.
05/02/2026.
Diplomas.
Mayor, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm making a mention for listing one pending matter, Your Lordship. Can this matter be taken up as a last item? For the commission, APPSC.
Why, what's
we
the
are-
urgency?
Commission is considering, so therefore, this matter, because matter is regarding recruitment, and for the other departments, already results has been declared. In regard to the petitioners, since there is a judicial order, leave has to be taken from this honorable court for declarations of result. Therefore, Lordship, can this be?
But supposing the results are declared, then will that invite some litigation or what? Is it already pending or what? What
It is
the-
pending, my
It is
lord.
pending, Your Lordship.
I believe the commission is going to concede to the prayer made by the petitioners.
To declare the results?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you want the results to be declared, both the parties?
Yes, Your Lordship. Because for the other departments, we have already declared. Only in regard to the petitioner's result, we are yet to declare because there's a judicial order. And since commission is considering the prayer made by the petitioners, so can this be taken up as a last item, Your Lordship?
Okay, let's see.
Lordship.
Put it up, let's see. Or make it tomorrow.
Lordship, the difficulty is that
Uh,
I'll be out of station tomorrow, Your Lordship, till 23rd of this month.
So you stay till the matter is heard, isn't it? Out of station means what time is your flight or?
Flight
whatever?
is at 2 o'clock, but 11 I have to rush.
So we'll make it the first matter.
No, I have no
Lordship,
objection.
Okay.
Otherwise,
I
your
come
lordship will
from-
have to also go through it will be a order disposing the matter.
I have to look also a little bit. No?
If time
Otherwise,
permits,
both the parties are willing.
yes,
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay, make it in later after this.
Lordship, thank
The
you,
last item.
obliged.
If this thing records will be available.
If the filing is ready, then
If
it
the
won't take
file is
time.
available by.
This
the
was,
last item.
yes, last
Then
it
we'll
was
see.
listed on September
Okay,
month.
Then we'll see.
Lordship, obliged.
Item number 1.
Your Ladyship, since 22nd of September 2025, I have a factory in the IGC, that is Industrial Growth Center in Ninglong, East Siang District, Your Ladyship. Since 22nd of September, there was a chakka jam by some local authority people. And Your Ladyship, the DC has been directed by the Honorable Court to clear the chakka jam and clear the blockade. I am suffering, Your Ladyship. I am told that now they have removed the blockade. So I may be permitted to run I have been not running my trucks for this long time because there's always a chance of some kind of a miscreant coming and harming any of the trucks or people. So for that reason, I was not doing it. I am informed now that they have cleared the roads. So, and they can file the affidavit also. I may be permitted to move also, Your Ladyship. In this regard, Your Ladyship may kindly have 11th of December.
So your submission is with regards to an IA which is submitted, is it?
No, Your Ladyship, this is regard to the main matter. Main
The
matter,
main matter, this is.
10th of,
Okay,
10th of December, Your
Wait,
Ladyship,
wait.
orders were passed.
no, on 23rd.
23rd also, Your
The
Ladyship,
latest order was, wait, huh?
where they have requested for time.
So receive instructions and would be filing her affidavit.
Please,
So,
Your Ladyship.
yes, government advocate. Have you filed the affidavit?
Malota, we have received the Parawise comment. So we'll be filing our affidavit. In any case, our stand is that the petitioners, they have all the requisite clearances.
That has been so recorded on the 10th December order. So Your Ladyship, that is a detailed order. Your Ladyship may kindly have that.
Yes, please.
10th December order.
Relevant portion.
Please, Your Ladyship. This also reproduces the first order, Your Ladyship, where a direction was given. Your Ladyship may directly have. Order is 11th of December.
Yes, 11th December.
Please, Your Ladyship. Your Ladyship may have paragraph 3.
Yes.
Somewhere in the middle, Your Ladyship. Praying appropriate actions against the protester and associations of persons who have prevented the petitioner from carrying out the business, despite the fact that CPCB has duly certified about the emission from the factory concerned to be much below the permissible standard of emission of 25 mg. In fact, I am only 5. Moreover, the National Green Tribunal is seized with the issue and no stay orders has been passed by the tribunal. Despite the same, the petitioner firm has not been able to function due to hindrances caused by the protesters who are in fact camping in and around the factory site. Then paragraph 5, Your Ladyship, the learned counsel for the petitioner on the other hand submits that since complaints have already been lodged before the authority concerned, and in view of what this court has also directed on 10th November 2025, respondent authority concerned should be directed to ensure that petitioner firm is able to operate the factory. Paragraph 6, Your Ladyship, considering the above submissions and having regard to the fact that complaint has been lodged with District Superintendent of Police, Pasighat, and also in view of what has been observed earlier in the earlier order of this court, learned additional advocate shall obtain complete instructions on what steps have been taken by the district authorities on the grievances projected by the petitioner by the next date. Let the matter again come of 23rd of December and the action taken report of the district superintendent of police, Pasighat, through the learned advocate general. So, Your Ladyship, both these directions were given against district authorities to ensure that the encroachments are taken away. In fact, 10th November order is also reproduced in this very order. Your Ladyship may kindly come back to paragraph 2 where the order is entirely reproduced. And the relevant portion, Your Ladyship, is paragraph 5. In view of the observation made by the
Yes.
paragraph 5 of that, which is in italics, in view of the observation made by the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Amit Sahani, to the effect that administration is required to take action to clear encroachment without affecting the right of persons to protest, which is held as a fundamental right. This court is inclined to issue notice, including notice on the prayer of interim relief to the respondent authorities, which is returnable on 10/12. Then in paragraph 7, Your Ladyship, the pendency of the writ petition shall not be a bar to the respondent authorities to examine if the industry has necessary license, which has been recorded in the next order, and to take appropriate decisions on clearing of encroachments vis-a-vis protecting the rights of the protesters. So both on 10/11 and then on 11/12, directions were made. And now, Your Ladyship, I am informed that the roads are clear. The roads have been cleared of all encroachments, Your Ladyship.
So
I may now be allowed. I may now be allowed to carry on my work so that some law and order situation may not be created, because there are raw materials and.
Wait, let her complete first.
Please.
Yes.
Yeah. So my raw material is there. My factory is running from December 2024. It has European standards. NGT is also, Your Ladyship, taken cognizance since 13th of May 2025. No stay order given by NGT. Now these people are actually holding me at ransom since 22nd of September 2025.
Objection
But
regarding the submission.
why have you objected to this thing?
Lordship, first thing first, Lordship, I want to make a clear submission here before this Lordship, before this honorable court that we have not, we are involved in a peaceful protest, and the very purpose of filing this writ petition.
That may be recorded. If it is a peaceful protest, because I am
involved in a
Peaceful process.
peaceful protest, Lordship.
Okay.
And Lordship, the real intention of filing this writ petition is to sabotage my right. of
Who's
peaceful protest.
the?
Therefore, in this regard,
I am the industry. I am the
They are the industry, we are the villagers, Lordship. And since
They
we
are not even a party here.
No, we are not a party here, Lordship.
Oh,
Therefore, I
that's what-
filed an IA. My humble submission
Okay,
is this,
to be-
Lordship, that
to
I will
be
be allowed to be
saying
included as
impleaded.
respondents.
And in an
So-
individual
Lordship,
capacity.
Because if you
Without
are
giving
not
my part of the
pleaded,
story.
if you are not impleaded, then we can't really hear your matter. What is your objection? So you are having a protest
Very clear,
against,
Lordship.
okay, you are protesting against some steps taken by the
we are-
No, no,
we are
they're protesting
against the pollution that has been carried out by the concerned petitioner.
because of some construction. most probably.
No, no,
They-
no.
Then
they-
what are you doing?
I am,
Pollution, Lordship.
can I just complete? The court has. I am an industry, Your Ladyship, in the Industrial Growth Center. I make ferro alloys, Your Ladyship.
So you're doing something.
I am carrying out business, and CPCB has also given me a pollution check and has cleared me, Your Ladyship, which is also part of the record.
Lordship in NGT, Lordship.
So they,
That will be
So the
decided by NGT.
person who wants to be impleaded,
We
you
are
are the
protesters, Lordship. Actually, we are
protester.
not-
no, just one person.
Yes, yes, because since
being
we
the
are-
resident of that area,
Yes,
what?
yes, Lordship, I am a resident of that area.
A single
I am
person.
Yes, why not? Because Lordship, we are not a registered organization. And since we are not registered organization, we cannot come here in this writ petition. So as a villager, I have come here. I want to bring my part of the story, and my humble submission before your Lordship is this, that if any order is passed without hearing me, it will cause me serious prejudice, Lordship. So I may be allowed to be impeded as a respondent, and I may be allowed to file my affidavit, and after that, Lordship will take a call.
But how can you be, if you are protesting or if you don't want this, whatever steps has been taken by the writ petitioner.
That's why, Lordship, I want to bring on record, Lordship.
PIL. But then again, this is.
No, Lordship.
It's pending here.
Lordship, our protest is not, we are protesting against against their illegal activities or their activities. We have approached the concerned authorities. We have
Okay.
filed our complaint
Tribunal.
before the district deputy commissioner. We have filed our complaint against the against them
so
before the
already-
superintendent of police.
already, huh.
We need to bring those records in our affidavit, Lordship.
No, that's
and
not
our
correct, Your
peaceful
Ladyship. That's not correct.
Let him complete first, yes. Okay, so, and then the writ petition, the instant writ petition
Yes.
is filed against whom? Wait, let me see, who are the parties here?
I am the petitioner, Your Ladyship, and I have made the state a party because
Yes.
the roads have been blockaded.
Okay, the state.
Only
has blocked
the
road.
state, only the state, Your Ladyship. And Your Ladyship, the state also had carried out an independent CPCB report because at the behest of NGT. NGT is already, your ladyship, seized with the matter since May 2025. And it is carrying on. In fact, 23rd is the next date of hearing. And he is also
Yes,
filed.
Lordship.
With,
So
can
you
I
were a
just,
party there? You were a party there?
We had approached the NGT Lordship.
NGT, are you a
NGT has,
party?
Yes, by order dated, order.
no, they are not
No,
a
no, no,
party.
Lordship, NGT has.
NGT told them-
Allowed us to file an OA and, and they will club our OA and the ongoing, and Lordship.
That was in November?
That matter has been taken suo moto, NGT has taken suo moto cognizance against them. And the villagers, we are the villagers who are protesting and taking cognizance of our protest, Lordship. NGT has suo moto taken cognizance and the case is pending on. And since we want to.
Anyways, what we can do is in the IA, okay, we'll issue notice. If you have any objection, written objection to
We
him
will find
as
that.
an individual to be made a party,
Please, your ladyship.
then we will see the written objection.
Please,
Okay?
your ladyship.
In the
Meantime-
meantime, here,
Your ladyship may record that we will start our, because the matter was pending before the DC for amicable.
but here the respondent is the state.
Please, your
So what
ladyship.
do the state have to say in this matter?
My lord, we'll be filing our affidavit, my lord, the
You can give
Parawest
the instructions.
affidavit, Parawest comments we have received.
Mhm.
So we'll be filing. In our Parawest reply,
Wait, so do you have concerns about them continuing their work?
my lord, as per the Parawest comments, they are having all the requisite documents, clearances to run the.
But you have blocked their.
No, we
No,
have
they
not.
haven't.
The protesters.
These people have.
Lordship, this is the case.
Let it be recorded, then in that
Yes,
event, I have no
Lordship, it will
grievance,
be
your
recorded,
ladyship.
Lordship. No one
I
has-
have,
Wait, no.
no,
So,
I,
so if the respondent have no this thing, nothing to say, no counter concerning you continuing,
then I can continue, your
But
ladyship.
Lordship, if any effective order is passed, it will hamper my right of peaceful protest, Lordship.
so
They will-
anyways,
no, they will take
so,
leverage of this, Lordship.
wait,
They will take- because
the
that is
instant
pending in
writ
NGT.
petition,
They
this
will take
instant,
leverage in NGT, Lordship.
wait, this instant writ petition will be considered only after the IA is.
No, your ladyship.
Uh,
May I
why-
humbly
why?
submit?
Huh?
They are saying two things at the same time. One, they're saying that they are peacefully protesting. I have come here to the court.
I will define my.
No,
Can I just complete? Can I just complete? Your ladyship, I have come here to the court showing by document that they were blockading and they were not permitting my trucks to go in and out. Let them,
The respondents.
no, your ladyship, the impleaders, the respondents only had to carry out, your
But you have
ladyship.
not made them a party.
They were,
Because they don't want us to
Wait,
be a.
your ladyship, there was no single party. He's also just come one villager. Who do I make a party here, your
Okay,
ladyship?
fine.
There are bunch
That
of people
case-
who are standing there
case-
and it was only a law and order situation.
In that case-
And that case, you lead,
Them also.
may I humbly submit, may I give a suggestion?
Wait, let me finish. I've got your
This
point.
is not a
Please.
proper.
Now, in that case, we'll have to consider the IA first and dispose of the.
No,
IA
your ladyship,
whether they
your
have
ladyship may
any say.
kindly have
Uh-huh.
idea. Look,
The
one
IA.
moment.
Uh,
This is one person who has come.
So
with each
so you
villager,
file
one
file a written objection today in the IA.
No, your ladyship,
will
then
issue notice.
then the problem will continue because today, your ladyship, the DC's office was supposed to file a reply and
So, and then.
and your ladyship, they have already taken instructions
Uh,
that there is no blockade. They are saying there's no blockade. He's saying there's no blockade. Let that
now-
at least be
but-
recorded.
But.
Let that at least be recorded because he's saying peaceful protest. I have no
Wait,
difficulty
wait,
on
but-
all scrutinies because even in NGT, your ladyship,
23rd
scrutiny is going on. And I will tell your ladyship,
That is due on.
I will tell,
Effective order passed here, they will take leverage there in NGT.
what leverage will I take? I'm only saying the road should not be blockaded.
Listen, now, the government, the state.
No, your ladyship, there is no stay order on my running any industry. Then I will just make a statement that I will continue to run my industry. Let this reply be taken on record. He's saying peaceful protest. So when he's also not claiming that he's blockading the road, they are also not saying that there is a
Then
blockade.
why have you filed your writ petition?
That is what I'm saying because from September, October till now there was blockade, your ladyship. Today he comes and says, either his statement be recorded. So either his statement.
See, now.
No, your ladyship, but not at the cost of blockade of the road.
To portray as a
No,
nuisance creator.
No.
So if they are not a nuisance, so that may be recorded, that they are not blockading. That only may be recorded because
See,
he's
I
making
cannot
this.
record anything of what he says because they are not a party yet. So you sit down for the time being and we will consider your matter when the IA is considered. You're not a party in the writ petition till
Yes,
date.
but I'm
Okay.
praying that Lordship, I may be allowed to be a part.
That, there's the IA, which we will issue notice.
Lordship.
And then let the IA be disposed of. Then we will see whether
No.
you can argue in the writ petition.
Lordship.
Okay.
Please,
But leave it
I'm
at that
obliged.
because
Please
it's not a
wait.
party in.
Your ladyship,
just
then I will
arguing.
just show your ladyship Annexure B, which is the
Wait,
CPCB report.
Let's dispose of the IA first by issuing notice.
Please, your ladyship.
Heard Miss, yes,
Guinea Jaitley.
okay, GJ, is it GJ?
Raute.
Learned Council, no, in the IA, you are the applicant. Heard Mr.
Dr. P. Methi, Lordship.
So-and-so, Learned Council for the applicant. Okay, who has filed the instant application. Now, this is not the first time it's coming up. Is it IA?
It is coming up for the first time. Last time they,
325.
please, your ladyship. They,
IA 3 to 5.
please, your ladyship, on 23rd,
I had 325 of 2025.
on 23rd, your ladyship, they had served an advance copy, but it was not filed and therefore it was not before the court either.
That is not the party. No, we have made that party.
Okay, maybe there is some mistake.
Because 23rd order notes that, your ladyship. May kindly have 23rd.
23rd, it says that this is the matter again on 1901, okay, along with the IA.
That
Now
was
the
my
IA
interlocutory, my application for removal of blockade, your ladyship. That is my interlocutory application.
Oh, wait, that is 3 to 5.
Please, your ladyship.
IA is 3 to 5, Lordship.
IA for being impleted?
Yes, for impleement.
Then maybe there is some mistake in this court's order. 3 to 5,
That is their application.
that is their application.
My interlocutory application is part of the writ petition. only.
Okay, so there is some mistake. Okay, this order, 23/12/2025.
The third paragraph may be seen.
Should be in the writ petition, not in the IA. Okay, this is the mistake. That's okay. Heard Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for the applicant, okay, who has filed the instant application for being impleaded in the connected WPC 522 of 2025 by submitting that the applicant, being a social activist, is required to be a party in this instant connected writ petition. Full stop. Issue notice to the opposite parties. Full stop. Then Miss so-and-so, Learned Counsel accepts notice on behalf of
Petitioner, your ladyship.
the respondent number. You have made them respondent number what?
5.
5. On behalf of opposite party, number 5, within brackets, respondent in the writ petitioner in the writ petition number. What was the writ petition?
Petition number, Lordship, 522 of 2025.
Yes, 522 of 2025. Okay, that will be in within brackets. And Mr.
N. Ratan, additional age.
Except Learned additional AG accepts notice on behalf of the state
Respondents.
party /
1 to 4.
respondents number 1 to 4. Okay, no need.
My lord, here I will not have any objection on the implement. I
No
do not
need
have.
to issue any formal notice. Full stop. The Learned Edition AG submits that they will not be filing any written objection, while Ms. So-and-so, Learned Counsel for opposite party number 5 submits that they may be given time to file their written objection.
Your ladyship, may kindly
List
take
on.
one submission.
When do you
So-
want to file your? written
No,
objection?
so far as their impleadment is concerned, I am only objecting to their illegal action of blockade. If they say that they are peaceful protesters, I have no problem with any scrutiny on my
They can withdraw the
document.
petition then.
Then.
No, no, no.
what? No, that's what.
So
no.
that's what,
No, no,
if he's saying, if you, that's why I'm saying, if
Whatever
he's saying,
submission he made before he is a party, we will not consider.
no, I'm on a further
So-
point.
so
I'm
in the
saying,
next
supposing he says that he is,
Supposing he says, but not. so
no,
let them be
that's
a
what I'm
party
saying.
first.
If, then I have no objection to his being made party today. I will not file an objection. If he gives that statement that he is not illegally carrying out any blockade.
Supposing it is a peaceful protest or whatever, okay, if it's a peaceful protest.
Not on the road, then it can't be on the road, your ladyship.
Then, okay. Then
On the side,
you-
anywhere
they
he
can continue their work because they are allowed to continue if it's peaceful.
Please, your
So
ladyship.
what do you have to say in that matter?
Lordship, neither we have done any hooliganism. Lordship, we will.
So they are allowed to continue?
Then there's no quarrel.
They can withdraw the writ petition, Lordship.
It could be disposed of on those lines.
So,
If we allow this writ petition,
okay, wait, anyway, then Mr. Wanso, Learned Counsel for respondent number 5 submits that if the applicants, okay, state that they protest against their works, what is their work?
Your ladyship, against the factory.
Okay, against the factory slash opposite party, okay.
Running of the
Factory
factory.
run by the opposite party number 5.
Slash petitioner.
Okay, slash petitioner in WPC so and so, okay, is only a peaceful protest, then they will not be filing any written objection to the IA filed by the applicant, full stop. So what, the Learned Counsel for the applicant submits that, what?
Lordship, we are protesting peacefully. We will continue to continue our peaceful protest until and unless our grievances are not mitigated. Our grievances, we are approaching Honorable NGT and we will continue to protest. We are not going
Peacefully.
to. But yeah,
No forceful blockade.
We have at any given point of time, we have never done any.
Okay, so it's not, okay.
We have to object, Lordship. If we don't object, Lordship, then it will imply that we are conceding to a.
So NGT, you can go ahead in the.
Yes, we are going in NGT, Lordship, but we have objection regarding their petition hearing in this honorable court that they are saying, every time they're saying that we are illegally protesting. So we have objection to that. First they should say that we are not illegally.
Okay, so let them be pleaded then. Let them be pleaded, then they'll file their counter.
No, your ladyship. No, your ladyship, then they can't have it both ways because it has been recorded in DC's meeting that they are, please, that they are there and they are not moving away.
That's a decent
So
meeting.
he's making two statements, your ladyship. My statement is subject to peaceful, and in that even my interest and egress will not be affected.
If that interest, Lordship, we are villagers, we are not villagers, Lordship.
So on the road, I mean, there are two things.
Lordship.
So
It's, let me, whatever this thing is now, if they are saying that this is a peaceful protest.
What is
then
the definition?
We
of
will be,
peaceful protest?
we will leave that.
No, your ladyship, what is the meaning of
We
peaceful?
will make them a party, okay? Then in the writ petition, we will give them a chance to file their counter,
Let them
if
file a
any.
counter, but
Now,
that may be
depending
recorded
on
in
their
my
counter.
interest will not be disturbed. That's all.
No, depending
that also
on
be
their
added, your
counter.
ladyship, otherwise it
Listen,
will not.
Depending on their counter, as to how they are filing their counter, the instant writ petition can also be disposed of instantly.
I agree,
Okay,
your
so let
ladyship.
them be a party
I'm
now.
not seeking a disposal.
Okay.
I'm only saying that if they are saying it is a peaceful protest, then my interest and egress should not be disturbed. Let that be recorded. Let that be recorded. They can't have it both ways. His idea of peaceful protest is that he will sit on the road and not allow my.
Anyways,
No, so I am okay,
They are suffering.
it is not that I have illegally come here. It is an industrial growth center and I am there from December
My lord, may I-
2024.
let me.
Hey, he's saying all the things together.
Wait.
Since September, I have not been able to send my raw material out or
Wait,
take
wait.
it in. He's saying yes. Then how do you call it peaceful protest?
More than 10.
I think.
My lord.
And this is in September,
Yes.
since May matter is pending in NGT.
Both of you sit down.
Yeah, my lord.
Let the AG give his submission. I've heard both of you enough.
My lord,
No,
Wait.
your
Inside
ladyship,
the fish market.
I don't want
My
to.
lord.
Yes.
Let's understand the present case
Uh-huh.
properly, my lord. Please, you come this side. My lord, this writ petition basically because there was obstruction in the functioning of
Of
the
the factory,
factory.
whatever factory, huh?
So the writ petition was filed for adequate safeguard protection by the district administration and the police of the district. Now, the question, the protesters, they have also a right to protest. And
Can protest,
and the petitioners factory also have a right to continue functioning. Now, the protesters, their claim is that there are pollutions. Now, neither the district administration has the power nor the police has the power to whether there is a pollution or not. It is a matter to be adjudicated by a forum. That is the NGT. Now, the limited role here by the district administration is that no law and order problems would be created by the protesters also, and also to safeguard the functioning of the factory.
Right.
So today, since the protester, one of the protesters who says that they are protesting peacefully, and the blockade has been removed. Now, the balance of interest will be that, okay, you agitate your grievance before the NGT, let the factory also continue with the functioning. Now, here in this, by way of a writ petition, we are not going to, this honorable court cannot decide whether there is pollution or not. The main issue is whether there is pollution.
They continue.
Then let it be settled by a proper forum.
No, so your this thing is, you're made a party.
Yes.
Okay, so you're saying you need time to file a counter.
We
Are you
will
going to file a counter or you're going to say, okay?
Yes, because in our Parawai's reply, till now, the clearance, they have all the requisite clearances for operating the factory. Now, whether these clearances are adequate or not, it is a matter for the NGT to. So, for now, the petitioners also have a right to operate.
Right.
The protesters, if they have grievances, also they also have a right to protest. But the main issue is the pollution. The pollution will be decided by the appropriate forum. The Pollution Control Board, they will certify, they will investigate, they will find out. These are matters. Now, till that, since the obstruction also has been removed, why further not?
So you're the respondent. For you, you have no objection.
No objection.
Isn't it?
Yes.
You have no objection. So the writ petition, if
we cannot have.
If both of you are the parties, writ petition can be disposed of. Okay, that's settled. Now, in between, there's an IA.
Yes.
Now, in the IA, he wants to be a party in the writ petition.
I have no objection. Yes.
So let him also be a party, considering the fact that he says that it's going to be a peaceful protest. Okay. Then in the next date, which we will fix, a short date in the next week, if he's a party, whatever submissions he has to make, a writ petition, then I think it can be settled, disposed of by the next court date.
It could be. That's why I was saying, when he's saying he's peacefully protesting, no disruption will be caused, just that line may be added.
I've already added in my dictation, if you're listening to me.
I'm obliged.
She has no objection. If it's, then the Learned Council for the applicant also submits that.
We will continue our protest, Lordship. From the beginning, we are.
That they would be protesting and he will be protesting
all protests
and will continue his protest peacefully. Okay, full stop. In view of the above submissions, this court finds it appropriate to allow the instant IA and allow the implement of the applicant as respondent number six in the connected writ petition number 522 AP of 2025.
Your Ladyship,
What
may
should I pay for
I
one?
only request one line will be added?
One line.
No, one line, my submission will
From
be added. He's made a statement that it is a peaceful protest. Then I'm also just adding that in view of his statement that it's a peaceful protest, I will continue at the site.
No.
I will continue my work at the site.
I have-
That is all I'm saying.
That will
It's my statement. It is my statement.
Okay.
That's my statement.
That,
Because
okay, will not object, and that she would continue in the previous, okay, not my order, but the previous.
where his
will not
statement is
continue
recorded.
Lordship, I will also pray
if
for one
it is a
hearing of
peaceful,
one matter, Lordship.
and that she would be, if it is a peaceful protest, she would be allowed, she would continue the works, or she would
At the
continue
factory.
the factory in the state.
Along with the,
And there
along
will not
with the movement of the raw material and
Lordship,
finished goods.
Lordship.
No, no, no.
Along with movement of raw material and
the
finished
next
goods.
date, in the
Lordship,
next
in that
date,
line also, Lordship may add two words that they
It
can
has to be
continue
five,
with with their activities, but they will not cause pollution.
No.
I'm not causing.
They are causing pollution, Lordship.
That
This is the-
and
this is the case,
anyways,
Lordship.
okay, accordingly, IS owner stands allowed and disposed of, okay.
And they
Now,
respond
in the
number
main-
5, not 6,
in-
Your Ladyship. There are 4 respondents before that.
Respondent number 5.
Respondent number five, okay. Now, in the main writ petition, okay, on the disposal of IA 325 of 2025, allowing the implement of respondent number 5, the learned counsel for the petitioner will file a corrected short title and thereafter copy of the instant writ petition to be duly furnished to the newly impleaded respondent number 5. Okay. Thereafter, list the matter again on, give a date.
Your Ladyship, may I request?
Wherein the learned counsels for the respondents are to file their counter affidavit, if any, positively by the next court date.
29th of.
Positively, a week before the next court date, and thereafter, considering the urgency expressed by the learned counsel for the petitioner, and attempt will be made to dispose of the instant writ petition in the next court date. Then give a date.
Could be 5th, Your Ladyship, 5th of February, because that gives 1 week time also.
Okay, it lists on 25 to 26.
First date only notice will be.
File your this thing counters, then I think the matter is quite simple, but
Your
give them a
I'm much
chance,
obliged.
okay, by the next.
I'm deeply obliged and I apologize for any.
Item number 2.
Yes.
May I please, Your Ladyship? It's a very simple matter. By filing this writ petition, I am seeking direction to the respondent authority to reactivate the Arunachal Pradesh State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. The commission has been remained defunct for last few years. Wherefore, many litigants are now suffering and aggrieved by various district commissions, judgment and order, which are defective. So we are now nowhere to go, nowhere to stay, nowhere to file the litigation. So I am the Bajaj Alliance Insurance Company, private limited company. So we are now being aggrieved by order dated 31/10/2025. So when we are ready to file one appeal, but in the meantime, the district state Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission is being defunct.
Why, what happened?
Your Lordship, in this regard, Your Lordship, notice may be issued and we will file our counter affidavit,
Yes.
Your
But
Lordship.
are you taking any steps?
No,
Previously, it used to be there.
That
isn't
I
it?
don't
So
have
now
any
you're searching
idea,
maybe
Lordship.
for the chairperson of the state consumer? Is it?
Yes.
Previously, who was to sit? Any
No,
idea?
No
Oh,
idea,
no.
Your Lordship, so I need to.
previously it was smoothly functioning. The state commission was
Who was this thing, chairman then?
chairman, previously retired Justice, His Lordship
Okay.
S.N. Sharma.
Ah.
After his retirement, no state commission is existing here in the state of Arunachal Pradesh.
See, sometimes there is a problem when no one is forthcoming to sit as the chairman.
But
So
4
what-
years,
What can happen is sometimes on short-term basis, some executive officer also having some legal background is also sometimes appointed for, until the proper, this thing, state commission can function. Anyways, will issue notice.
At this stage,
Mhm.
your ladyship notice may be
Yes,
issued.
yes, we'll issue notice. But Mr.
There are similar to other cases pending before this court regarding the same issue. In those cases, I think we have filed a affidavit.
Okay,
Still,
so
Lordship,
find out,
that,
find out.
those.
So in your affidavit, what are you saying?
Lordship,
What are you saying in your affidavit?
Lordship,
What?
advertise was plotted.
Huh.
And then.
But you're not finding the.
Not
person.
finding the right person. Again, it was more, it.
Is it a full-time job or a part-time job?
It's a full-time job.
Full-time. Then you have to make this thing
Yes,
arrangement.
they were making at that point of time. Now I have not taken
Okay,
any.
find out.
Lordship.
Because
Instruction.
it might be a bit difficult to find someone to sit full-time.
Yes.
Okay, unless there are some retired judges who are willing to come here full-time. Okay. But what happens in smaller states is that they make it a part-time so that the chairman can at least spare time sometimes to sit depending on the number of cases. So
No,
that's
anyway, advertisement is was plotted, but then there was no.
So what is the other option for the state? You have to see that.
They have sent it to the MHA, Ministry of this one,
Okay.
Center, and then they have made some rectifications regarding Lordship.
What is it, the rules for the state or something has to be done. You
something
can't,
like
you
that.
can't.
It's
escape,
been
huh?
long time. I also forgot Lordship. So
Okay, we'll
those
issue
maybe
notice first. We'll issue notice first,
Yes,
the
let us
next
see.
court date.
Yes, yes.
You find out the other pending similar matters, then we can club them all together. But
Right.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner who has filed the instant writ petition for under Article 226 of the Constitution of India for the issuance of the appropriate writ or order to the respondents by submitting that the petitioners being aggrieved by the order passed by the President of the District Commission, wide judgment order dated 31/10/2025. Wishes to file an appeal against the said judgment and order. However, till date, the state respondents have not reactivated, is it? The State Consumer Dispute Regressal Commission, which was previously functioning, but due to the inaction of the respondents, is not functional as of date. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that a direction may be passed, a direction slash order may be passed for the state respondents to take steps for the refunctioning of the State Consumer Dispute Regressal Commission.
Yes.
Full stop. Having heard the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, issue notice of motion to the state respondents. Full stop. Ms. So-and-so accepts notice on behalf of the state respondents. No need to issue formal notice. Requisite extra copies of the writ petition to be duly furnished to the learned government advocate. List after 2 weeks.
Okay, Your Lordship.
List after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 4.
My lord, let IA be taken up first.
Okay, what is the IA about?
IA is relating to perjury. My lord, after I have filed the writ petition, they have replied by filing affidavit. And in the affidavit, they have given false statement which is a punishable offense under section 229 of BNS. It is corresponding to 193 of IPC, my lord. Well, para 5.
Para 5 of what?
5 of their reply. It is at page number 35.
This is the affidavit in reply, is it?
Yes, madam.
Is it in reply?
Yes, reply in writ petition. In writ petition.
In the writ petition
Yeah.
or this thing in the IA?
No, in the writ petition, madam.
Yeah.
In the IA?
Yes, Lordship. If IA is taken up first, let the IA take up first. IA.
No, I'm talking about IA. I'm making submission on IA. Page number 35.
So what is the IA about? What is your prayer in the IA?
I have made prayer for initiation of proceeding against the respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 6.
1, 2, 3. So they are represented? 1,
Yes.
2, 3, and 6. Will
Yes.
be represented today?
And for the Union of India.
IA mula. No, it's manangin.
Otherwise also, my lord, before coming to para 5, let us see the records.
Just give me a background of what is the writ petition about?
Writ petition is relating to acquisition of land and payment of compensation. And my lord, in the writ petition, the fact of the matter is that the private land of the writ petitioner was illegally occupied by Assam Rifle in the year 1968. And it was taken over by ITBP in year 2004. Then let us see the writ petition first, so that we can have better knowledge about the matter. Then what happened? They wanted that land which was illegally occupied by them be acquisition. And for that, they have initiated the process of acquisition. And during the course of acquisition, they have even obtained my NOC, no objection certificate. In fact, the total area of land occupied by them is 187 acres. And out of that, they wanted to acquisition only 19 acres. And for 19 acres, fund has also been sanctioned in the year 2015. No, not 15. 21. In the year 2021. Acquisition process started in 2019 because I have given NOC in the year 2019 for 19 acres only out of 187 acres. Now they failed to deposit the sanction amount of 4 crore before the deputy commissioner. They have delayed the payment of compensation. So I am compelled to approach before this court seeking direction for making payment which has been already sanctioned 4 crore point something. And while replying my writ petition, they have given false information before this court. Instead of 187 acres, they are saying that they are not in occupation of 187 acres. Now, I think your lordship is clear about the writ petition. Then let us come to the IA. Main opening part is at para 5, page number 35. But before coming to that, let us have
Hmm.
the, let us try to know the facts of the matter first. At page number 43 in IA, my lord. This is a letter. Page number 43.
Hmm.
And type copy is 44.
Hmm.
This is a letter written to Deputy Commissioner. It's a survey of land for ITBP campuses in Upper Subansiri district of Arunachal Pradesh. Now let us come to the relevant para.
Hmm.
Para 3, my lord. It
Yes.
is therefore was once again requested to your good self to look into the case personally, initiate the survey process at the following 4 locations in favor of 10 BN ITBP. Below that, there is a table. In the table, serial number 1.
Hmm.
Serial number, first column is serial number, second column is location. In the location, it is written TCC. TCC stands for Tama Chung Chung.
Hmm.
That is name of area. And next column is area under possession. Here it has been shown a 187 acres. 187 acres. And next
So you're
page,
saying it's not 187?
they are saying not 187. And let us see next page, my lord.
Okay.
Next page is 145. Here,
Where's 145? Okay, next, where?
Next page. 45 only, 45 only. Next page is also letter written to the Deputy Commissioner by the Commandant 10 BN. Here, para 2 is relevant.
Hmm.
In the subject letter, I'm reading para 2, my lord. In the subject letter, the measure of TCC post has been mentioned at 1.87 acre, which is grossly wrong and far less than the land size handed over to ITBP by AR on paper 187. They are making clarification that the letter written by the Deputy Commissioner had committed error because in that letter 1.87 was written, and they are making clarification by writing this letter to the Deputy Commissioner. It was 187, not 1.87. Now we can come back to the appending part, para 5. That is at page number 35.
So you're saying because of the point, is it?
Yes, no, I'm saying 187 acre.
Oh, not 1.
Not 1.87.
So,
para 5, my lord, this is the opening part, page 35. It says, my lord, that with regards to statement made in para 3 of the writ petition, the deponent states that under reply are matter of facts that Assam Rifle was under the occupation of land at TCC, and after that ITBP took the possession the land at TCC, but the same is never demarcated by the concerned authority, and hence it is incorrect to say that the whole 187 acre of land is under the direct possession of the Assam Rifles and ITBP thereafter from 2004. Here I want to point out two points. One is regarding 187 acre. And another is that demarcation was not made. In fact, there's a document which shows that demarcation was made. So they have committed offense of perjury, my lord. And in a similarly situated circumstance of the matter, the Honorable Supreme Court of India has passed judgment in Indore Development Authority versus Manohar Lal and others. तो ये देखिए तो जैसे सेकंड है ना ये नहीं यहाँ में नीचे में एक सेकंड जैसे सेकंड yeah judgment is of 2001, reported in 2001, 5 SSC, 289 page. The relevant para is 16 and 17.
Yes.
Para 16, my lord. Para 16 says, keeping in view the facts and circumstances of this case, record of proceedings in suo motu, contempt petition criminal number 5 of 2000 and writ petition number 77 of 2001. We are prima facie satisfied that the respondent herein in his affidavit filed in support of writ petition for the purpose of being used in the judicial proceedings, that is writ petition, has wrongly made a statement that the age of Dr. Justice A.S. Anand has not been determined by the President of India in terms of Article 217 of the Constitution. We are satisfied that such a statement supported by an affidavit of the respondent was known to him to be false, which he believed to be false, and or at least did not believe to be true. It is not disputed that an affidavit is evidence within the meaning of Section 191 of Indian Penal Code, and a person swearing to a false affidavit is guilty of perjury, punishable under Section 193 IPC. The respondent herein, being legally bound by an oath to state the truth in his affidavit accompanying the petition, is prima facie held to have made false statement, which constitutes an offense of giving false evidence as defined under Section 191 IPC, punishable under Section 193 IPC. Next para, para 17. With the object of eradicating the evil of perjury, we empower Registrar General of this court to depute an officer of the rank of Deputy Registrar or above the court to file a complaint under Section 193 of the Indian Penal Code against the respondent herein before a magistrate of competent jurisdiction at Delhi. Such officer is directed to file such complaint and take all steps necessary for prosecuting the complaint. This is judgment of the Supreme Court, my lord. And I have prayer before your lordship that similar order may be passed directing the registrar of this court to file a complaint against the respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 6 for committing offense of perjury.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Madam, I'm for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3, madam. Madam, first of all, madam, straight away, madam, at the very outset, madam, I just wanted to point out that the referred case is not applicable in our case. Firstly, why? Because, madam, in the very beginning, it has been mentioned that the keeping in view the facts and circumstances of this case, madam, this case means that case which has been referred by my friend, and madam, the which he believes to be false, or at least did not believe to be true, madam. But in our case, madam, we are fully believed that the statement which has been made by way of the affidavit, basing on the madam, documents given by the madam, the authorities, madam. Madam, what happened in this case? This land was initially, madam, belongs to the then Assam Rifle, madam. When the ITBP was inducted in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, bordering, madam, that border areas, madam, this piece of land has been, madam, given to the ITBP, madam, by the Assam Rifle, madam. And in the, madam,
Before that, before coming, his point, I think, is page 44. If you come to page 44.
Page 44, madam, I have
And
gone
page
through.
45,
That is, madam, basically related to the whole, madam, the
187 and 187
I've
in
got
these
my-
two, huh?
that is relating to the, madam, the particular, madam, I'll come to that fine point, madam.
The whole area.
Whole area, madam.
Okay.
How
But
this
your-
has been, madam,
your
wrongly
affidavit,
figured?
huh?
How this has been wrongly figured?
In your affidavit.
No, madam. Affidavit is basing on the, madam, the documents which has been given to the ITBP by the then Assam Rifle, madam. In the Assam Rifle, there are, madam, in the figure, so many mistakes are there, madam. As such, madam, as of now, madam, no demarcation has been done by the district administration, madam. Firstly, madam. So therefore, this is the base figure where the ITBP has mentioned somewhere it is 187, somewhere it is 180, and somewhere 10 to 15 acres of land, somewhere altogether 19 point something acres of land. Therefore, it is not yet clear. The affidavit which has been filed by the ITBP is basically based on the documents which has been given by the other authorities to the ITBP. So therefore, there is no question of perjury. As of now, it is not figured. As of now, it is not measured. As of now, it has not been demarcated. As of now, the compensation amount cannot be ascertained as because the compensation is basically relating to the area which is under occupation of the ITBP. Once the demarcation is done, once the measurement is done, once the survey is carried on.
Okay, so here your statement is hence it is incorrect
Yes, madam.
to say the whole area is so and so. That's
Yes.
all? But have you mentioned 1.87? No way.
Yes.
Okay, it is, you simply say that it is incorrect.
Yes, madam. So therefore, this is the documents.
Yes.
Handed over during the course of handing and taking over by the Assam Rifle to the ITBP. Lordship, may kindly see handing oblique taking
Okay, serial number 7.
serial number 7.
Oh.
Somewhere it is mentioned 180. Somewhere it is mentioned 187, madam. So therefore, admittedly, 187 acres of land is under the direct position of the Assam Rifle and ITBPs. Admittedly, it is incorrect, madam.
Okay, so
Where the question of it is basing on the record which has been given to us, it is the best area, once the one thing, may kindly appreciate one thing. As per the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, the BOP, border outline post, outpost, the authorized area is only 4 acres of land, We cannot acquire more than 4 acres of land, Only authorized person. Therefore, time and again, we are approaching the concerned authorities for the final demarcation, As of now, it is not correctly mentions how much of area is under the. They are saying that 187 acres of land is under our position, direct position. This is the as per the documents which has been furnished to us. Otherwise, we don't have any record.
yes, yes, okay, I got your point.
So therefore,
No perjury.
yes, there is
Yes,
no perjury.
Anything else?
And
That's
therefore, yes,
Ah.
that is the only therefore, how this can be
Yes, yes,
perjury.
not intentional, huh?
Madam.
Even if it was incorrect, it's
Yes,
not intentional.
As of now, it
Yes,
is
yes.
not certain. Therefore, it
yes,
is
yes,
incorrect to
okay.
say the correct areas of land,
My lord, I have pointed out 2 things. One, regarding 187 acre. Second, it was never demarcated. Kindly revisit para
Okay,
5.
so whether, anyway, I don't think.
Also, demarcation has been made. Page number 46, my lord. Page number 46. Annexure 5. In the IA.
Okay, so even if it's demarcated, this is when? This is when?
This is a letter dated 37/19/2019. Last para. Last para means page 46, last para. May I read, my lord? There was a long pending issue of redemarcation of aforementioned land for which ITBP had been requesting since long for press demarcation so as to initiate the process of acquisition of the land. The unit is so grateful for your kind cooperation and timely action taken in this regarding. As the demarcation has been completed, I am repeating again.
Yes, okay.
As the
Anyway,
demarcation has been completed, but the next course of action regarding notification is still pending, which needs to be expedited by the concerned department.
Exactly, madam. That is the whole period, madam. We are asking.
yes, yes, I'll dispose of this,
Yes,
Mr. I.
Yes,
Okay, the a case of perjury doesn't arise.
Yes, ma'am.
Because from the paragraph with which you are very unhappy, it just says that it is not ascertained, they don't know also. So it's not intentional. See, the judgment you have cited, citing a wrong age when you know this thing. correct
All right,
age,
if,
and this,
if,
yes.
if that
So
is
we'll
a,
dispose of.
okay,
dismissed.
if
Okay,
that
now
is
it's
the-
the main, this thing, writ petition. Let's
yes,
come
let
to
us
the
come to main issue.
Okay. So now for admission hearing,
Yes, my lord.
should we admit and this is for this
No,
thing?
my lord, this is 2023 case. So let us, let
We'll
us,
admit the matter and list it for
no, no, my
hearing,
lord,
date
my,
fixed.
my
I'm
lord,
not- I'm not taking
my
up
lord,
the full hearing case.
let us dispose of today, my lord.
No, not possible.
My lord,
Not possible.
this is pending since 2023, my
So
lord.
next week, give us a date. So we list it in the hearing column
Yes.
so that it deserves a proper full hearing.
Can we
Deserves that.
have it tomorrow, my lord?
No, next week.
Next week,
If you're in a hurry, next week. We'll list it in the hearing column, then even the court can be prepared with the matter.
but one thing,
Uh,
if,
We'll admit the matter
no,
and list it for hearing.
no, if the matter is listed for hearing,
Hmm.
it will take another 1 or
No,
2
we're going to
years.
fix a date.
No, even if that is fixed, it will never reach, my lord. I have experience in this court.
No, that's not it.
Let us have it, no, if your lordship having any problem today, let us have it again in the admission hearing.
Okay, you want it in the admission hearing,
Yes,
not
yes.
for hearing.
Yes, the admission hearing for disposal.
That depends, anyways.
Pleadings are completed, my lord.
So it's better for you if we list it in the hearing column and on a fixed date, then
My lord, it will never reach for hearing.
why?
I have experience in this court.
That's very.
So many pending cases are there.
Because
I used to be
fixed
here
date is not there.
till last minute, never reached. It had happened many times. So let us have it in the same
Okay,
state.
he doesn't want his matter to be admitted yet.
No,
Okay, you don't want it to be admitted.
no, my lord.
We'll list
This
it
is
for admission hearing.
My lord, this is a practice in this court.
No.
Matter is usually disposed of in the admission hearing.
No, it is not. You see, it depends on the case. If this court finds it appropriate that it doesn't deserve a full hearing, then it can decide in the admission hearing itself. But on hearing the parties, if the case is of such that it deserves a proper full hearing, then you list it for hearing. Okay, that's how it should be. If the matter is simple in the admission hearing itself, it can be disposed of. Anyways, but you're saying that the matter doesn't deserve a full hearing, so we'll list it for admission hearing next day.
No, my lord, the
Then
admission hearing for disposal.
whether it should be
that-
disposed of, leave
that-
it to the
my lord,
discretion of the court. You cannot
that-
direct the court.
My lord, that prayer was made earlier also, my lord.
Not Mr. So-and-so.
My lord, then let us have fixed date on 2nd April, 2nd February.
Okay, heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner who has prayed, who submits that this matter has been kept pending for a long time and prayed for an early admission hearing.
No,
okay.
Today matter may be admitted.
Okay,
for hearing.
okay. Then heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, DSGI for respondents number
1, 2, 3, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, and Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents.
Yes.
On hearing the submissions made by the learned counsels for both the parties, the instant writ petition is admitted and to be listed for hearing on
2nd February.
2/2/2026. The IE, I'll pass the order later.
All right, no problem.
Item number 5.
May it please your lordship. So there are two matters, item number 5 and item number 6, almost analogous matters. The matters basically hinges on a very small premises. What has happened is this is a tender for road construction and we were a parties in that. We had submitted our bids and our bids were rejected on the technical evaluation by citing certain clauses of the tender paper saying that on these particular counts, your technical bid evaluation has been found to be not compliant and accordingly it was rejected. We approached this honorable court stating that these grounds were not correct and therefore our rejection is bad. The state government in the RWD filed their affidavit However, in the affidavit, what has happened is the ground taken by them are different grounds than what they had stated in their technical bid evaluation minutes. Therefore, there was a situation as to which is correct, the ground taken in the affidavit by the department or the ground that is available in the minutes of technical evaluation. So therefore, this honorable court, by the order dated 16/6/2025, had called for the actual and original records of this case to actually come to that finding as to what were the grounds based on which my technical bid was rejected. But unfortunately, what has happened, the matter has come quite a few number of times thereafter. The government is not producing the record. And in the meantime, since there was no stay order, the private respondent is pursuing with the work. So tomorrow a situation will come when they will say and make a submission that the work is already completed. And therefore the matter has become infructuous. So what I basically asked from this honorable...
Infructuous. Let it, okay, anyways.
No, because I have come with a prayer saying that my evaluation rejection, technical evaluation rejection was not correct. That was my ground. And therefore, and if Lordship sees the financial bid evaluation, I would have become the L1. Then I would have got this work. Now, because of these different stand taken by the government, one in the technical bid evaluation minute, saying that on these counts you were rejected. And in the affidavit, they bring new grounds saying that, no, on these grounds you were rejected. So the court therefore obviously said, get us the records, we'll see the original records and find it for you ourselves.
Okay, so are they available, the original?
From 16/6 now, it has been given to, I have been informed that records have still not been produced. So this is my...
Okay, then we'll give a final chance for you to produce the...
Or else let them be personal
record.
appearance of the executive engineer who is holding the records.
Records, okay, failing which, okay, this writ petition can be decided on the documents available.
Available on record.
Instead of calling. We'll pass that order.
Yes.
Take steps. Okay. Heard,
A. Sharma,
Mr.
Lordship.
A. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard,
Jitara.
Mr. Jitara, learned standing counsel. Is that for?
RWD.
RWD and
Rural Works Department.
Mr.
D. Shoki, my lord. I'm
D.
for
Shoki.
respondent number 5.
Who is respondent? Learned
Private.
counsel for private respondent.
Private respondent. Lordship.
It is seen that though this court
16/6/2025 order.
by its order dated 16/6/2025 had asked the learned standing counsel to provide the records of the department.
Tender evaluation record. Lordship.
Of records of the tender evaluation made by the department. However, till date, no such record is produced. In view of the above, this court find it appropriate to give final chance to the learned standing counsel to produce the said record, failing which this matter will be considered by considering the records
Materials
available.
available.
Materials available on record. List the matter after
On 23rd of February, Lordship.
3 weeks on 23/2.
I'll be on.
23rd.
Okay, then when do you want it? On, after 3 weeks on?
Then prior to that?
28.
20.
28.
28. Yes, Lordship.
I have some difficulty because after 20, my lord, my sister's wedding is there. So in the last.
No, 20th of February, they are saying.
Party should be available, so
Let it be on 19th of February, Lordship.
before your sister's wedding, 19th.
19th.
Okay, on
19th February.
to
Lordship.
2026. Yes.
Because one day the submission will come, work is over. There is no point pursuing this matter. Oblige, Your Lordship.
So both same? 5 and
Same, same orders.
5
Same
and
order.
6, same order.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item number 8.
None appeared for the petitioner on, okay, yes. What's the matter about? Last order. This the matter again.
My lord, this has been covered by this, the coordinate bench of this honorable court, wherein, my lord, both the repetition has been allowed.
Covered matter. So, the government advocate in the last court date, senior government advocate had prayed for time to go through the judgment
Yes,
relied upon.
yes,
So, it's covered?
covered. This one
Okay.
is covered.
So what's the matter about? So similar order be passed?
Yes,
is it?
ma'am.
Yes, Lord.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the matter about?
Fact is, the exactly the same. The advertisement was called for appointment of the constable in the Department of Home. And as per the advertisement, I applied for the post. Accordingly, I was selected for the post for the said post, and I was undergoing the training as per the schedule given by the authorities. And while performing my duties in the training, suddenly there was a termination order.
Oh.
On the grounds that I have misconcealed the material facts, certain information was sought for while filling up of the post, the post and the application. And the termination, the Lordship will find the impugn termination order, page number 9.
Okay, wait. So you just come to the judgment referred to you, saying that it is similar. So then I think maybe it will be clear. Interference. So where's the impugned order?
The impugn order, page number 9, annex,
Nine.
annex 9, page number 33,
33. Oh. Yes, this is the impugned order.
May I read,
Oh.
Order dated, the 14th February 2025,
Mhm.
whereas Siri so-and-so, the petitioner, was provisionally selected for the post of constable under the sports quota by the offer of appointment number, order number so-and-so, dated so-and-so. And on examination of the verification report of the character and antecedent, it is found that 2 case is registered against him by number so-and-so, charge sheeted number so-and-so, not
Oh,
read
so
that.
criminal case.
Yes, madam.
Because of that, you're this thing, you were terminated.
Yes, madam.
Ah.
Therefore, in person, so. Now, madam, at that relevant point of time, madam, admittedly, there was a conviction against me, madam. And, madam, as per the Juvenile Justice, madam, Protection Act,
Oh, you were this thing.
Juvenile,
You were a
madam.
minor at that time.
And, madam, 10, I was at that relevant point of time, 10 years of age, 10 and 11 years of age, madam. Now, madam, in the, madam, as per the scheme of the, madam, it has been clearly, madam, mentioned in the, madam, judgment which I have placed before your lordship, that in the judgment, madam, there is a protection, madam, where even if conviction is made against a child below the age of 18 years, madam, it is not required to be, madam, punished.
Okay, not to affect him later.
Yes, madam.
Okay, so we'll pass a similar order.
My lord.
Covered. Okay, I'll pass the order later.
Yes, ma'am.
Disposed.
Madam. Leave them.
Allowed and disposed.
Item number 9.
Aye, what is it about?
May I please, my ladyship? May I please? I'm for the petitioner. We have filed the writ petition and giving reference to the interim order dated 5/9/2025. And this honorable court was pleased to pass an interim order directing the respondent company not to give effect to the impugned office order dated 11/7/25, whereby me and other similarly situated employees were reverted to their original grades. And the honorable court was pleased to record a prima facie satisfaction. My lord, to give you just an overview, my lord, let me tell you,
So it is the main writ petition, is it?
Yes, my lord.
Aye. Oh,
My lord, that there is the interim order in the main writ petition, ma'am.
okay.
Now, for vacation of that, I'm appearing for the private respondent number 4 to 9, who is the main party, my lord. The rest are formal parties only, my lord. Now, my lord, IA was filed, my lord. But on the last occasion, my lord, I made a prayer to this honorable court also. That IA is for vacation of the interim order, man. Now that on the last occasion, I made a prayer that let this IA be considered as a counter affidavit, and this matter may be heard and disposed finally, my lord. And that's why today it is fixed, my lord, for otherwise for disposal, my lord, subject to your.
No, my ladyship, I have a prayer. This
no.
interim order passed after finding a strong prima facie case, which is a speaking order, reasoned order, and it is clearly states there that the impugned demotion order was passed based on the incorrect understanding of both the policies, old and new schemes of the company, and as such, without complying with the interim order, I was being transferred to another state, my lord.
So now you are transferred.
Yes, my lord, my
What's the
ladyship,
interim order? What's the
the
interim
summary
order?
is like that.
Oh.
Giving, it was an incentive of the company. Following that incentive, I was being posted in Italian HEP, Arunachal Pradesh. I was then DGM HR. It was dated, the circular dated 29/9/23, and
So,
it is.
so there's an interim order that you should not be transferred, is it?
No, no, my lord, please, please let me complete that. In Annex 3, page 25, you will find, that.
Petition.
I was posted here as DGM. Then again, with the company's incentive policies, I was posted as promoted and AGM then, AGM HR. That was on 1/11/2023, Annex 5. Then again, I made, following the incentive, I was made GMHR. That was on 12/12/23. It will find, my ladyship, you will find it in Annex 6, page 32. Then again, after their company's withdrawal of the said incentive, I was being posted back to my original post. That is again DGM. And now it is in BTPP. It's a thermal project in Buxar, Bihar. And it was a side effect, my ladyship. Like by the time I had filed this red petition over here, and the company, without complying, very arbitrarily transferred me to my original grade post. And hence, this is my grievance. I am here, my ladyship.
Okay, you don't want to go back to your original post because you
Yes, I
promoted,
was
upgraded.
promised by the company that it was a request, formal request, that we were being mentally prepared, that we have to work in these hard stations and we'll be given perks and benefits for that.
So you got all the incentives?
No, no, my lord. No, my ladyship, no.
So what is the petition, that you be paid your incentive money or what? And then where do you want to be? You want to be in your original home, just saying where you were first, appointed, or you
My
want to be in
ladyship,
Arunachal?
justice should be needed on my part,
So
my
what is your
ladyship.
prayer? What is your prayer?
My prayer is that, my ladyship,
Sorry to interrupt, my lord.
Wait, let's see what's your prayer.
My lord.
you will find it, my lord, in the main
Petition. Petition, what is your prayer?
Let me read it out.
Appropriate relief. What is the relief that you want?
Let me read it for you, my ladyship. It is therefore most respectfully prayed that your lordship would be pleased to admit this petition, call for records, issue a rule calling upon the respondents to show cause or causes as to why a writ petition, a writ in nature of mandamus or any other appropriate
So you
writ
don't want to
orders.
go back as DG?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes.
So you want to continue
To
as?
declare that the corporate HR circular that dated 1/7/2025, numbered as 950 to
What does the
2025.
circular say? This is what does the circular say? This
Yes, madam.
CHRC.
Telling you.
There it says that maybe you have to be reverted back and you don't want that.
Telling you, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
Oh.
My lord, that earlier,
If
yes.
you're saying that this cannot have retrospective effect because this is 01/07/2025, while she was made the GM, in which year?
The circular said, my ladyship, there's a description about the scheme for extending benefits to the employees posted in Arunachal Pradesh and other states of NER. So it is in Annexure 7, page 33, my lord. Should I read it out?
So then you will have to study the scheme carefully and see whether it's going to be applicable to your case or not. Because it does not mention anything about having a retrospective effect. But the nature of how you were posted with the benefits to GM, where's that order? You don't want to be reverted back. You want to remain as
Annexure
GM.
8, Lordship, page 42. Wherein it states about the corporate circular.
This is
which
where you have
withdrawn a
placed
list
in
of
your-
people.
oh, okay. The subsequent withdrawal of so-and-so, dated so-and-so.
Still, Lordship, my colleagues, some of my colleagues are working here. I only being transferred.
Anyways.
And Lordship, the respondent company is not left this project in Italian. It's not going out of this project. Rather, Government of India has asked SGBN to contribute or to retain 20% share in this project. As well as the same time, SGBN has also asked Government of India for granting formal permission to retain 20% share in
So
Italy.
your serial number 5 here.
Yes, Lordship.
Your serial number 5.
Yes,
And
Lordship.
you're reverted back to your original, along with the other friends, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship.
So what about the others? They are reverted back? They are also reverted back?
Yes, the list of employees' name are being
So
given.
you're the only one who is aggrieved. What about the other friends?
Yes. Still some are working there. Annexure 4, that is a corporate circular 8H6 dated 12/10/23, where there it was stated that the special scheme of special incentives for employees posted in Arunachal and as well as Assam in order to keep the employees motivated.
So it's a short term. It's not permanent.
It's not said like that, my lord.
That's our basic case. my lord.
Ah,
That it
because
is only an
promotion
incentive,
or
yes.
Incentive is given.
Because for the promotion, regular promotion to happen, there is a promotion policies there, man. There, DPC has to be there, all the merits of all the eligible persons.
That for this thing for promotion, where is it?
My ladyship, DP guidelines is just an observation. It's not a rule.
My lord, if it's a hearing today, my lord, or otherwise,
Okay, then we'll admit the writ petition listed for hearing.
my lord, let it remain
Yes,
for
or we-
admission hearing, my lord.
Okay, next date. Okay. Yes, heard
Manage
Miss-
so many dates, my ladyship has been going over and over.
Anyway, I heard Miss So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, along with Mr. So-and-so.
Humble prayer, my ladyship. By the time ongoing of this process, interim should be.
So where are
carried
you
out.
right now?
I am in Buxar, PTPP, Thermal Project, Buxar, Bihar.
That's in it. No,
My lord,
so you're
but-
in Bihar right now?
Yes, my
You want to
ladyship.
come back to Itanagar?
Yes, my ladyship, because I was enjoying my
My lord, what I said, and
upgraded.
subsequent, that is,
But you can't move up and down. So you remain in this thing, Bihar, till the disposal of the writ petition.
and otherwise, my lord, there has been,
If your writ petition is allowed, then you will get your areas also. So it's very good for you.
My
subsequently, my lord, there has been subsequent development. In fact, now the company is winding up its operation itself, my lord. That entire project has now been handed
No, my
over to
lord,
the
company is not
NHPC, my lord.
closed.
Not the company is not closed, my lord. That
Okay.
particular project.
So
no-
let that
That is-
happen.
that
Let
is
that
what my
happen.
ladyship-
Then if it's required, maybe this thing, cost title maybe have to be changed, but anyway, that's a different matter.
That is what my
In the
ladyship,
short dates, next week.
subsequent development, that is what I was talking about, that the government of India has asked the respondent company to contribute or retain 20% of its total share in this project in Italian.
That's a subsequent decision.
Yes, my ladyship.
So do you want that to be noted by this court by way of this thing? affidavit?
Yes, my lady.
So you file an additional affidavit bringing those facts into this thing.
It is a partial truth, whatever my learned friend is telling. But it's
So you
trying
want to bring that on record then you bring that on record by way of an affidavit if you think it's required.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
Required? You feel it's required?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, then we'll give you time to file an additional affidavit
Yes.
due to the subsequent developments.
My lord, and
Okay.
my lord, may I pray, my lord, I may also be given some liberty, my lord. That promotion policy of the executive, my lord, that inadvertently, my lord, we have not brought on record. My lord.
Oh, that should be.
We will also bring that on record, my
It's
lord.
not completed
Ma-
as yet, that appears, isn't it? But Miss So-and-so. Yeah, good name, please.
Asmedi, my ladyship.
Okay, Asmedi, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for
4 to 9, my lord.
respondents number 4 to
4 to
9. And Mr. M. Kato learned, you are appearing as DSGI.
My lord,
Okay,
for
for
respondent number one
respondent
only.
number 1. Okay, so-and-so along with so-and-so, comma, so-and-so, and yes, then and P. Learned government advocate. Okay, P. Sankhya for respondent number 2. Okay, okay, you also there?
Yes, Lordship, I'm on behalf of L. Parveen.
Okay, so the last one, okay, and rest will be comma. Okay, and Mr. So-and-so appearing on behalf of Mr. L. Parme, learned counsel for respondent number 3.
Spending counsel for power.
Okay, respondent number 3.
Lordship, humble prayer. Interim should be continued, Lordship. Humble
That's an
prayer.
interim order, okay.
Yes, Lordship.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that during the pendency of the instant writ petition, there are some subsequent developments which she prayed she may be allowed to bring on record by way of filing an additional affidavit. Stop. Then Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for respondent number 2, you said, isn't it?
I'm for 4 to 9.
Okay, 4 to 9. Also submits that he may be also allowed to file an additional counter affidavit to bring on record some documents which are pertinent to
Promotion policy, my lord.
documents / promotion policy, which is pertinent in the
Hearing will be all together, Lordship.
in the matter. Okay, in view of the above submissions, the learned counsels are allowed to file their additional affidavits as prayed for. List the matter on, when do you want it?
Are you comfortable here?
Which date?
16th of February, Lordship.
On 16 to 2026 for admission hearing.
Is it okay?
Meanwhile, interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of this.
Highly obliged, my ladyship.
Item number 10.
10,
Yeah.
may it please your lordships. I am to remote PC lordships. Lordship,
Mm.
in this case, the respondents have to file
My
affidavit.
lady-
They have yet to file affidavit, lordship.
Yes.
My lordship, we need some more time, my lordship.
Okay, we'll give them some more time because this is a recent case, isn't it? Yes, Mr. So-and-so, learned
Madam, I
counsel.
kindly fix a
for-
date, lordship. My prayer is only for fix a date, lordship.
Okay, learned counsel for the petition appears through VC along with Ms. So-and-so, learned government advocate for the state respondents, full stop. The state state respondents have prayed for further time to file their counter affidavit. In view of the above, when you want it, the state government, list the matter after 3 weeks on,
Madam, I kindly fix a date, lordship.
yes, on, after 3 weeks, any date.
On 23rd of February, lordship.
No, all the better, on 23 to 2026, yes. Yes.
My ladyship, I beg to interject. My ladyship, in item number 1, the dates have been wrongly fixed. Item number 1, earlier item number 1.
Oh, what date was it fixed?
We consented on 05/02/2020, 5th February.
Okay.
It has been wrongly mentioned as 25th February.
Okay, make it. just
Item
take
number
note,
1.
Okay, take note
The-
of that.
WPC 5/22.
Yes, yes, 5.
5th February. Highly obliged.
Item number 13.
Lordship, may I observe the last order passed by this honorable court, Lordship.
Dusty Service.
No, Lordship, actually this legal counsel of the NIT, National Institute of Technology.
Wait, suffering from serious, therefore, the appearance in this case. So Dusty complete?
No, Lordship, this certified CTC order has to be provide the NIT Lordship only. Then this already their
Okay,
counsel.
certified copy of this order to be furnished to the respondents.
Lordship.
So was it furnished?
Lordship, that their counsel was already there, so it was his responsible to.
Wait, till date, no affidavit has been filed regarding proof of causing justice upon respondent number 1 and 2. This is 03 date, okay. Now later, counsels for their respondents number 1 and 2 are represented, is it?
G. Lolen.
Okay, 1 and 2 is NIT.
Lordship, they are NIT registrar and Lordship. This is how seriously we are aggrieved by two standing counsel has been
But
sent.
then, if there is no one for NIT, so the respondents are, this is matter on so and so to be furnished. So it's the registry who is to take necessary action then.
Lordship,
So a certified copy of this order to be furnished to the respondents. So now we don't know whether this, because now there's no one to represent NIT, isn't it? So the certified copy steps has to be taken by the registry, it appears. Because there's no note whether certified copy has been given or not, isn't it? So we'll fix another date and we'll mention that registry to take necessary steps.
Lordship, may mention on the order.
Yeah, that has to be mentioned.
Yes,
Anyway, Mr. You are
G. Kato.
G. Kato, Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. While none appeared for the respondents / NIT. It is seen that as per the previous order of this court dated 05/01/2026, that since the tenure of Mr. G. Lolen as standing counsel for NIT is over, the NIT is not duly represented in this case. It is also seen that this court in the said order dated 05/01/2026 had mentioned that the respondents are directed to enter appearance in this case. Least necessary orders may be passed. Okay, now that you make it in italics, okay? This court had also noted that, again in italics, a certified copy of this order to be furnished to the respondents. It is seen that full stop, then this court, it is seen that since the respondents / NIT are not represented, it is necessary for the registry to furnish a copy of the order dated 05/01/2026 to NIT along with today's order, listing the matter again on
Let it be on 10 February, Lordship, so that they can have
10/02/2026,
enough time.
wherein the respondents are to enter appearance personally or through a standing counsel. Yes. Registry to do the needful. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 14.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I'm on behalf of petitioners, lordship, are appearing through RBC, lordship.
What is
This
this
is
matter?
arbitration petition, lordship. Basically, this application is for appointment of arbitrator, lordship, sole arbitrator, lordship. If there is a consent from the respondents, lordship,
Oh.
we can suggest.
Okay, that can be done. But isn't there a notification from the principal seat regarding the bench who can take up arbitration matters? Certain benches have been appointed to take up arbitration matters. The registry took up.
Yes,
In
lordship.
respect of our bench, Madam,
Mhm.
in respect of our bench, Madam, there is no, we have not seen, Madam, any
There is
came across, Madam.
all the benches a notification, if I'm not mistaken.
For
Lordship,
appointment of Madam,
No, not for appointment of arbitrators, the benches who can take up arbitration matters.
So list of arbitrators, lordship.
Not list of arbitrators.
Madam, we have not came across
There
such
there
notification,
was a
Madam.
notification where all arbitration matters, okay, put up before a certain bench, a certain,
Madam.
the bench is to be taken up by a certain judge.
Madam, as I pointed, Madam, we have not came across this notification issued by the Madam, the High Courts, Madam. But Madam,
Just let's see if there is something, if I'm not mistaken. No, this is panel of arbitrators.
Madam. Therefore,
Not-
Madam, the several bench, Madam, different benches are keep on appointing, Madam, the arbitrators. Madam.
Arbitration, but this is panel of arbitrators to be appointed. But there's
That we have,
another notification that as to which bench can take up
Madam.
arbitration matters.
Then in that case,
But,
Madam,
just check,
Madam.
find out.
Madam, in that case, Madam, the matter may be listed for day after tomorrow, Madam, for, Madam, we
Just verify, okay? But this is a simple matter.
Madam.
And since a previous order was also passed, where nothing is mentioned, we'll go ahead with this case.
Madam.
If it is for appointment of an arbitrator, which is agreeable also.
Last 4 or 5 months back, Madam, even this honorable court has passed the Madam, order by appointing, Madam, the retired judges as per the panel list. Madam.
So we'll do that.
Madam.
So have you proposed someone?
Lordship, from my end, lordship, I am proposing Justice D. Biswas, lordship.
For Itanagar bench. Yes. Here's serial number.
That list, lordship, I don't have it, lordship, but
Is
from
he
my
here in the list, arbitrators?
lordship, I don't have that list, lordship.
So there's a panel of arbitrators.
Madam.
You look from the panel of arbitrators
Correct,
and then
lordship.
see if, okay, then we'll fix another date. You
Tomorrow,
get
lordship.
hold of a copy of the list. Isn't it?
Lordship, I'll get hold of that.
And then
copy,
if you are
lordship,
agreeable,
by
we
the-
can, so this petition is only for that.
Yes,
Lordship,
Madam. Yes,
for
for
that only.
appointment of arbitrators only, Madam.
It's only for that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, lordship.
Mr. So-and-so
AG.
learned counsel for the petitioner is present through VC along with Mr. M. Matto, learned DSGI for the respondents. On the submission made by the learned counsels for both the parties, list the matter again. Tomorrow's date,
No, Madam, day
Tomorrow,
after
sir.
tomorrow, Madam.
day after.
Day after,
Day
Madam.
after,
Tomorrow will be DB. Okay, so day after's date.
Madam.
Okay.
Leave tables.
Obliged.
Item number 18.
My pleasure, Lordship. This IA number, item 18, IA number 14 is file for vacation or modifying the interim order dated 15/9/2025, passed by this honorable court in WPC 445. Today, my lord, this is coming for the first time, so notice may be issued.
Okay, we'll issue notice. Where's the impugned order? Let me have it.
Impugned order is page, Lordship.
Okay,
Page 13.
1509, 2025.
Yes, 150925.
Let's see. Status quo.
Yes.
So you don't want status quo to be remain, is it?
Status quo, yes, Lordship.
So on such matters, okay, it's slow. This is the first time it's coming up. Won't it be appropriate if the same matters again listed before the same bench or not required?
Not required, Lordship.
It's
Not
not the same review as such.
Yes.
Is it? Okay. Heard Mrs. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the applicant who has filed the instant application for setting aside the vacation for vacating / modification / alteration of this court's interim order dated 1509/2025, passed in WPC number 445/2025, wherein an order of status quo had been passed in respect of transfer order dated 1607/2025. Full stop. Issue new para issue notice to the opposite party. Full stop. Mr.
Teasering.
So and so accepts notice on behalf of the opposite party
Petitioner, Your Lordship.
/ opposite party / petitioner in WPC number 445/2025.
Your Lordship, I would also file an objection to that IA.
Copy of the new para, copy of the IA to be duly furnished.
I've already furnished, Lordship.
Copy
Never
furnished.
mind, to the learned counsel for the opposite party, if not already done, full stop. Let's the matter on
28
28
of January.
01/2026 for the learned counsel for the opposite party to file their written objection.
Your Lordship, my submission will be recorded that I would be filing an objection in the IA.
So I've recorded.
Yes, Your Lord. And there, with regards to the main case, Your Lordship, that WPC 445, there is an affidavit filed by the government. To that regard also, I would file rejoinder, Your Lordship, counter affidavit.
Okay, now in the main writ petition, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, has prayed for time to file his rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. Praise the Lord. Again, list on so-and-so.
Your Lordship, there's an interim order that may be continued, Your Lordship.
Okay, interim, then the same day, then interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Highly obliged.
All right.
Item number, unlisted item number 22 to 24.
Your Lordship may kindly take up item number 23 or similar matters, madam.
Okay, which is this thing? Because it's not listed here. So what is the number?
This WPC
number?
380.
380.
Yes.
Yes.
Though they are conceding, my lord, but the facts are a bit complicated. That's why.
Okay, now we have put up this matter for pleadings and the matter for admission hearing.
Yes.
So now it is for admission hearing. Now, what is your prayer? Why have you put up this matter?
My lord, the commission now wants to declare the results. In fact, they are conceding to the prayer made in the writ petition. But for Lordship to pass an order, I will have to press the fact. Facts are a bit complicated. That is what
So
I'm.
it has to be disposed of.
Yes.
Now it's 4 o'clock. Let's set it for tomorrow.
My learned friend is not here tomorrow.
Oh,
That is the
for
only
tomorrow.
thing. Otherwise, my lord, may I make a suggestion? Since they are already conceding, I can place the facts tomorrow. No,
Because then it has to be a long order anyways. So, your submission is that you may be allowed to have the results declared.
No, my prayer in the writ petition is a facts are a bit complicated actually.
That is complicated.
So we are allowed, but
yes.
in terms of an interim order, we have been allowed to appear in the exams. Earlier, we were barred, we were not allowed. Our names
So
were
we
not
will
there.
not dispose of the writ, but then the whole writ petition also is to be disposed of if we allow.
Yes, there is on the basis of an interim order, we have now appeared in the examinations.
So now, who wants the result to be declared?
Commission wants to declare the result.
So you're the one who wants the results to be declared, is it?
Yeah, me also. But the prayer,
So who's the commission?
Public Service Commission.
Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission.
Who's representing the commission?
My learned friend.
Okay, so you want it to be declared?
Yes.
Previously, you did not want, or what? In the
No,
writ
ma'am.
petition, you were the respondent.
Yes.
It is not a question of not wanting to declare the result.
They were
had-
allowed to appear.
They had barred us from appearing in the exam.
Oh.
Our name were not in the list. But we find that in terms of interim order passed by this honorable court, we have now been allowed to appear in the examinations.
Now,
They in fact
okay,
want to concede it.
so them appearing in the examination, it's okay with you now?
Yes.
Because they appeared, so subject to the writ petition, so once you declare the results, supposing they are declared eligible, so whatever, but in the writ petition, you are saying that they are not eligible.
Yes, Your
So those who are ineligible, if they are the ones who names are there in the result, then what will happen?
Before that, Your Lordship, after the interim, we have filed review petitions. And in that review petitions, we have made a prayer that whosoever are eligible, amongst the petitioners, whosoever are eligible, they may be permitted to write the exams, and whosoever are not eligible, one should not be permitted to write the exams. And accordingly, review petition was allowed, and we made a list. And that list was met as per the ratio. 1:12 ratio, Your Lordship. So that we have already done.
So now, now you want to declare your results. Why is the urgency? Can't it wait till you have the time to appear for your?
Lordship, for the other departments, we have already declared the results.
So because this is a writ petition, there's this thing matter is sub judice, it's pending. So the moment you return from wherever you're going, it can be considered then? Because it's the petitioners. Petitioners are the one who should be impatient, they want. But it's not you, it's you who want to declare. They're waiting patiently.
Because from the same advertisement, other departments we have already declared. And this also we want to declare the results. Already results are ready, Your Lordship.
But they are the ones. So when are you coming back from your whatever trip?
23rd, Your Lordship. 23rd is Friday, and Saturday, Sunday, Monday, it's holiday.
27th then.
So 1 week it can wait, 27th, because you should not do it in hurriedly. A long order has to be passed anyways, because it's a writ petition. You cannot say, okay, allowed. You can't do
That I expected
yes,
actually. Yes.
Yes,
These are a bit complicated.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is present along with Ms. So-and-so, learned standing counsel for the respondents. On the submissions made by the learned counsels, lists the matter on 27, 27/02/2026, wherein since both the parties have expressed urgency in the matter, an attempt may be made to dispose of the instant writ petition. Yes.
Matter is